oganda go. Erokamano ahinya. Ramogi wadhi nyime kod weche manyien kama gucho omenda mar hola mar Hasla Fund osechiwo omenda mohewo bilion 41 ne oganda jokenya mohewo milion 22 nyaka ne chake ayanga kalore gi lipot mogol gi piny owacho. Ma en medruok kaka owuok e siling milion 39 juma mokalo, kama en ranyisi ni thoth oganda jokenya medo yudo omenda mar hola no. Ma biro kinde mabad migawo marango weche mag ohelni matindo olando chenro mar chiwo hola ne ohelnigo. Jagoro mogirore migawo mar ohelni matindo Susan Auma okoni kwan oganda makawo hola mar Hasla Fund osebedo mana kamedore. Okwedo weche maliekore ni ji mathoth mokawo hola kokalo aguluno rem duoko omenda go kabedo nyiso piny owacho mag counties mondo chiw lwasi makare ne joma timo ohala matindo e bombe mopogore e pacho ka.
Being in CRB, it's not that they refused to, they defaulted. You remember that was also around the same period that was smarting from pandemic. The corona pandemic that sank so many MSMEs. So we felt we needed to play a rehabilitative role, try to see how we can give them a second chance to repair their credit and then reintegrate them back to the economy, back to where they can now move to a private financial institution and be financed and continue with their works and contribution to economy. So the SME we're still discussing it and we'll be rolling out soon, hopefully.
The idea of partnering with the county is a great one for this regime, because we realize that national government cannot implement everything. It can only play the facilitation role so that the implementers themselves, who are the counties, can be near